Hey guys, happy Tuesday to you out there. Before I talk about anything else, I want you to watch the video. There's two different project options that you have. I want you to try it on your own. If you run into problems on Tuesday, you can message me and remind, you can email me. But if you get to the point that you're just getting frustrated, I am going to hold optional live chats on Wednesday. You can pop your head into the classroom in Teams and say, hey, I'm having a problem with this. Have you seen this? What do I do? And I'll get you through it. You are not required at all to do that live chat. That's just for people that are having problems. So if you watch the video and you've got a good sense of what you're doing, once you submit that to me, you're good. All right. All right. So this week, you've got to realize we don't have a textbook for this classroom. So I've got to come up with these project ideas on my own. So I've been watching lots of movies. My kids have been playing video games, listening to music in here. So I said, hey, let's just do the top 5. All right. So you could do top 5 movies, songs, video games, books, sports, or you could just completely pick a different topic. I don't care. All right. I'm more interested in what did you create. For those of you that are still getting comfortable with PowerPoint, I want you to stick with it. For those of you that are so incredibly sick of PowerPoint, I want you to try this other thing that I'm going to show a little bit later in the movie. So everybody will need at least one title slide, 2 slides, I say per movie, but per topic. So your total project should have about 11 slides in it. At a minimum, each slide or page in the video should have a title, a bullet point, and at least one image. So if I'm creating a movie PowerPoint, this is what an example of a title page could look like. You've just got the title of the project on there and a picture or 2 pictures, just something to kind of introduce the concept. So slides 4 and 5 both deal with the same movie. And that's how you're going to get to your 11 slides. So I've got a nice big title up here, nice big bullet point and picture. And here's the same with this slide. So for the people that are new to class or are still getting comfortable with using PowerPoint, I'm going to walk you through those steps. So we're going to start with DCPS, popular links, OneView. We're going to load the white waffle and go to PowerPoint. Now you've got all these design ideas. I'll tell you, it's better if you use the blank presentation, and I'll show you why in just a second. Top 5 teachers. I do not want to know who's in the bottom 5. We'll just go with top 5. So I don't care what you call this, but top 5 and whatever project you're doing. So over here on the left-hand side, this shows you all the slides that are part of your presentation. Right now, we only have 1. And you guys know me, I think this is the worst slide ever. I don't know why they put it as a title slide. So I just selected it and hit delete. Oh, it forces you to have that one in there. All right, so to add a new slide, we go right here, and I'm going to add this title and content slide in. Okay, now I can go back to this one that I despise, click on it, and hit delete on the keyboard. It'll go away. Down here, it'll tell me how many slides I have. So I could go up and hit new slide, click it, and just do that over and over. But you guys know me, I'm super lazy. So select it, Control C on the keyboard copies it, and then Control V. And I can paste in my 11 slides. All right, so I want a nice and big title, and I want a super intelligent 6th grade bullet point, and then I want to add a picture. Oh. So to add a picture, we're going to go up here to Insert, Pictures, and you can do it from this device if you've got them on the computer. Maybe you've got these things saved in OneDrive. Just for the video, I'll do the online pictures. And we've been talking about typing lately. So here's good old Snoopy and his typewriter, and we'll drop them in there. Now you've got all these design ideas. This is why I like the blank slides. You get a lot more options, and unusual looking. That was kind of cool. All kinds of things going on. So once you select one you like, picture looks fine. I'm happy with the title. What I need to do is change the size of the font. Yes, this is clearly not spelled correct, but it's too small, right? So let's try 44. Too big. Perfect. 40 fits in there beautifully. All right. So that, even though there's all kind of crazy misspellings, that's a good slide. Nice big picture, big title, full-size bullet point. All right. Please make sure you don't have any spelling errors in your projects that you're sending me. When you're done, slide over here to Share. Type Couch C. And then send it to me and you're done. Okay? So that's for my PowerPoint people. For my people that are trying the other one, this is the name of the website. And I logged in using my daughter's school email account. There weren't any problems with it. It didn't ask you for a join code. It didn't ask you to verify. It just took you immediately in. So you could use your school email for this, which is S and your number at students.duvalschools.org. Or you could just use whatever email that you may already have. And then you can just click for personal use. So what it's going to do, let me get into this one. All right, so the first time you get logged in, I believe it takes you to this screen right here. So they've got all these templates, which are kind of pre-made slides. You can select one, and you get to just change the information that's in there instead of starting from scratch. Of course there was an error. Later, I'm trying to record a video. I can't do it late. Killing me, Gabby. Okay, here we go. So this will load, and the very first time you do this, it'll take you through a tutorial. Please do the tutorial. It'll show you all the little tricks that I might skip over. But this is really easy. So you click in the first box, and everything that you click on can be changed. Okay? So if you want to point out that I am not Gabby, just change the words. All right? If you want to change some of the colors, here they are. Right here are pictures. Now you can find pictures. After you've done this a lot, there's favorites, or you can search and pull up pictures to your desktop. So I'll demonstrate that for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about. So you just find a picture that you would like to use. Here is me on my last vacation. All right, so I'm going to upload this picture. Sometimes you may need to click desktop. And there we go. Hi, I'm not Gabby. Maybe you want that in a different color. Okay. And as you go through this, there's different changes you can make. Now on the left-hand side are all these different tools that are available to you. There is music. It is not any of the songs that you know, but you can add some music into the background for this thing. So I went ahead and created a smaller one, or a little larger one, so that I could show you how to turn this in. So when you're done with it, and keep in mind, you need at least 11 of these boxes. You can hit preview, and it'll show you a little version of this. And once you're happy with it, you're going to hit produce. You need to give this a name. Put the date in and your name, and finish. So once all this loads down here, I believe, and this is where the trick is, I've never done this project with a class before. This is a new website to me, but I was able to simply take that link and put it in an email and send it, and it worked. I was able to watch it. So after you publish it, please copy this link and put it in a school email and send it to me. Now, if you'd like to download it, you can. Apparently, if you want it in super high HD, you've got to upgrade your account, but there's different ways you can download this. But I believe if you send me this link in an email, I should be able to watch it and give you a grade for it. So, to review, really, it can be about any topic you'd like. You need about 11 slides. If you want to go overboard and do more, by all means, go for it. I had lots of you write really long stories. It was good to hear from you guys, good to read that stuff. Definitely miss y'all. And after you try some of these things on Tuesday and it's not working, get in touch with me. Remind, email. There's that Google phone number if you need to. And I will be holding optional live chats on Wednesday. Not at all required. You can just log in, do your daily attendance, and start to work on this project at your own pace, and that's fine. The live chats are only for people that have really got questions or concerns about the projects. All right, guys, I hope that made some sense to you. If not, just pause the video, back it up, and rewatch the sections that you need to. All right, guys, have a good one.